Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to trade gold in Metatrader so we can take advantage of price movements in the market. Whether we are beginners or looking to refine our strategy, this guide will help us get started with confidence. On our Metatrader app, we need to search for the symbol we want, such as gold. The symbol for gold is XAUUSD, which stands for gold versus the dollar. We just need to click on this symbol, and here we will see options to buy or sell. Since we don't have any gold to sell yet, we will buy first. As we can see, we just need to scroll down and accept. Then simply click Buy Again. Now we are buying gold. We can select the quantity and scroll here to monitor what we are buying. Just click Buy here. We can increase the quantity if we want to buy more. Once we are done, just click Buy Again. That is how we can trade gold on Metatrader 5 in just a few simple steps. With the right approach and risk management, we can make smarter trading decisions.